Today I found some wildlife by this creek, starting with this queen snake.
Oh, he barely even tried to get away.
These guys are interesting because they specialize in eating crayfish. Speaking of crayfish, that was the next thing I found. They were everywhere in this creek, so that queen snake must be eating well. After that, I started looking under some rocks, and I pretty quickly found a hellgrammite.
Ooh, a hellgrammite.
This terrifying larva will eventually become a Dobson fly. Just a few rocks later, I found this huge fishing spider.
Whoa, look at the size of that fishing spider.
If you enjoyed this video, get off your phone and go find some wildlife.